cardiac cycle, here's the right atrium, and up there in the right atrium is the sinoatrial node. Okay? So the SA node fires, and that electrical activity spreads all throughout the right and the left atrium. And that produces what? That P wave.
P wave.
Okay. Produces the P wave. Right after that happens, the atria contract. Okay. So let's start from the ventricular filling phase. We have the atria here, and blood's moving from the atria into the ventricles. The ventricles are filling up. Okay. And 80% of the blood that fills up the ventricles occurs passively.
Okay.
Then right at the end of that cycle, that's when the SA node fires. It electrically excites the atria, and they contract, and that shoots that last little bit of blood down here into both of the ventricles.
Okay.
So now we're at end diastolic volume. On the ventricular volume, this is the max amount of blood that's filled up there. Okay. Then what happens? Now we enter ventricular systole, and what happens with the, sorry, I got sidetracked mentally there. What happens at the beginning of ventricular systole? That electrical activity spreads down through the interventricular septum, Purkinje fibers, and this whole thing gets excited. So that causes the QRS complex,
Okay.
right? QRS complex. Right after that QRS complex, it contracts, and it shoots that blood through the pulmonary trunk and through the aorta.
Okay.
And that's one cardiac cycle. Atria fill up, they contract, moves into the ventricles are filled, they contract, shoots them out the arteries. Atria fill up again, same thing over and over.
Okay.
Makes a lot more sense.